In this video, we'll break down the different types of prompts in CitedSpy: discovery, comparison, and branded prompts, and explain what each one means. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard and clicking on Prompts in the left sidebar. Here, you will find all your tracked prompts organized into three main categories. First, let's look at discovery prompts. Discovery prompts track general category and industry-level searches to see how organically AI models discover and recommend your brand. In this section, you will see your list of active prompts along with mention rate, showing how frequently your brand appears in response to broad discovery queries. Last run, indicating when the prompt was most recently analyzed by the system. Next are comparison prompts. Comparison prompts evaluate head-to-head scenarios where the AI is asked to compare your brand directly with competitors. Under this tab, you can review your comparison queries along with winner, showing which brand the AI favored or ranked first in the comparison. Last run and actions, so you can track update times and manage your queries. Finally, we have branded prompts. Branded prompts focus on direct queries about your brand name to help you monitor brand reputation and see how accurately the AI describes you. In this section, you can review sentiment, evaluating whether the AI's tone regarding your brand is positive, neutral, or negative. Last run and actions, keeping your brand monitoring up to date. And that's an overview of discovery, comparison, and branded prompts in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.